Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. English Stories for Beginners. In a small town, there was a bakery called Sweet Crumbs. It was run by two brothers, Rick and Mick, who were known for being the best bakers in town. Their cakes were soft, their cookies sweet, and their bread always fresh. But there was one problem: they were very rude. Customers would come to buy bread and be met with angry faces. "Don't touch that!" Rick would shout if someone looked too closely at a cake. "If you're not buying, leave!" Mick would yell at kids who stopped to look through the glass. Still, people came. Why? Because the food was just too good. But over time, the townspeople started to get tired of the brothers' rude behavior. One day, a poor old man walked into the shop. His clothes were torn, and he looked very hungry. "Can I please have a piece of bread?" he asked kindly. "I haven't eaten in 2 days. I don't have money, but I'll work to pay for it." Rick laughed loudly. "This is a bakery, not a charity. Get out." Mick added, "Yeah. Nothing is free here. Go beg somewhere else." The old man's face turned sad, but he said nothing. He slowly walked out of the shop. The next day, something strange happened. No customers came to the bakery. The door didn't ring. The phone didn't buzz. The shop was quiet. "This is odd," Rick said. "Maybe it's just a slow day," Mick replied. But the next day was the same. And the day after that. The brothers began to worry. "Where is everyone?" they asked. So they went outside and saw a new stall in the town square. A kind old man was giving out free bread and cakes. The same old man they had insulted. "What is this?" Rick shouted. "You can't give food for free." The man smiled. "Not everything is about money. Kindness brings more than gold ever can." People in the town started helping the old man. Some gave him flour, others gave him eggs and sugar. Together, they built a new bakery called Kind Crumbs, and it became the heart of the town. Rick and Mick lost their shop soon after. They had no customers left. They tried to work at other places, but no one wanted to hire rude people. One day, they went to Kind Crumbs, hungry and tired. They stood at the door, not knowing what to do. The old man saw them and said, "You may come in, but remember, nothing is truly free, not even kindness. It must be returned in some way." From that day on, Rick and Mick began working in the kitchen. Slowly, they learned to smile, to say thank you, and to treat people with respect. And though their pride was hurt, they learned a valuable lesson. Good food may bring people in, but good hearts make them stay. Thanks for listening. Subscribe to the channel for more stories.